Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my Jane's Agenda Planner and Lifestyle subscription box for July. And so I took a peek, but I haven't really dove into anything. So let me pull everything out. And I subscribe to, you can like choose what size of inserts that you want, depending on what size planner that you use. So I choose the personal size because I use a personal ring size planner. And the first thing we get are some little paper clips, or some little journal cards. Hello Summer. I love these because summer is my favorite. Sunshine, poolside, downtime. And this one's cute. I'm so sorry for what I said when it was winter. So super cute. Love those. And then you also get a July card. And on the back it tells you everything that's in your subscription box. So we had the Hello Summer quote card. I'm sorry for what I said when it was winter quote card, and then the check boxes quote card, and then you get a gold star paper clip. So that is cute to go with that summer theme. And then you get your July. I usually stick this in the front of my planner, or I also have a little stand here where I keep whatever month the calendar is. And then we got a highlighter, a Pilot Friction Blue. So it looks like that. That seems like a really good highlighter. Pilot Friction Blue. And sometimes they're erasable. Yep, these are. So you can erase your highlight. So we got that, and then we got a red chapstick holder, which will be really nice. I always keep a chapstick in the outside of my purse, but sometimes my purse tips and my chapstick falls out. So if I can put it on this and just attach this to my purse, that will be super easy. So a red chapstick holder. We got a custom Jane's Agenda roll-up tote bag. Oh, it has little handles. Oh, this will be nice to take to the store. So super fun, and it folds up really small. So that's great. Let's see if I can get it back the way they had it. Yeah, probably not. This one goes here, and then this one goes here. And you didn't keep the little thing to roll it up and attach it, so I'll fix that in a little bit. But there's a Jane's Agenda tote bag. And then we got some potluck recipe cards. Recipe cards to hand out at your summertime potluck. And they're super cute, the little red, white, and blue. So if you make a dish, then you can just write the recipe on it and give it to all your family or friends. So those are great. And they're really good cardboard, like a chipboard almost. And then we got a page finder with blue summer flowers. So that's super cute. And then the page finder, half page non-laminated gold foiled dashboard with a poem by Ellen Everett. That's not it. This one is it. Oh, I see, when they say half page. Oh, this is super sticky. So here is the half-page foiled. It says, "Let us live like flowers, wild and beautiful and drenched in sun." If you put that behind your page finder or in front of your page finder, actually it looks best on this. So super cute. And then cardstock watercolor floral on canvas bucket list. So super pretty. And then on the back you have a summer bucket list with things like unplug for a whole day, do a summer DIY, plan a trip, watch the sunset, visit a national park, lay in a hammock, read a New York Times bestseller. So that'll be fun. We'll try to do as many of those as we can. And then white ink non-laminated vellum poem over here. So you get this poem by Minerva Jean. It is said that summer is the weekend of the year. June is a Friday night where the stars are wild and infinite. July is a Saturday afternoon, one of reflection and realization that the weekend is almost over. Have you done all that you wanted, or is there more to discover? And August is a Sunday morning when summer waves, a lazy goodbye like a secret lover who promises to return again. So that's cute. And then we get a red floral dashboard. It looks like those are sunflowers though. So that looks good over the top of that. And then we get a laminated vellum dashboard poolside quote. Life is better poolside. That is really pretty. So we have that, and then we have a planner insert. It is summer planning and monthly, so you can plan your July out. And then you have a July. Oh, you can put your bucket list, and then you have the month of July. How does that go? Oh, wait, here. Hold on. So July. Oh, here it is. Goes like that for July. And then we have August. And you can also put a bucket list there. So those are super cute. These have little National Honeybee Awareness Day, Just Because Day, Friendship Day, Campfire Day. So those are fun. So we have those for July and August. And then we have one more, and this is for summer notes. So the theme of this box is summer days. So we have some note pages, front and back. I think you have 5. So there is that. So that is the July subscription box from Jane's Agenda, and I should be getting my other July subscription boxes soon, and I will share those with you. In the meantime, I hope everyone has a wonderful day and rest of their week, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.